The constant force spring is part of your nail gun's magazine assembly. The spring attaches to the nail pusher and pulls it towards the nose piece. This feeds the nails through the magazine. Over time, the spring can become weak, causing the nails to not feed properly. Often it will fatigue and break, causing the nails to not feed at all. Replacing the constant force spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine from the nail gun. It's secured with a couple of screws and nuts. Now I can remove the pusher from the magazine. It just simply slides off the end. The constant force spring will slide out of the pusher. I'll install the new constant force spring and reinstall this assembly back into the magazine, making sure that I align the knob on the top of the constant force spring with the slot in the magazine. And now I can reinstall the magazine. And that's how you can install a new constant force spring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.